Good afternoon. This is my final project for the Promineo Tech Backend coding. This is an equipment store project where I have 4 tables. I have a one-to-many relationship with my equipment store and employees, and a table for each, and I have a many-to-many relationship with equipment store customers, and then the join table is the equipment store customer table. So in this project, I have my entity relation, or my entity classes that make the customer entity, the employee entity, the equipment store entity, and then this coding down here is what makes the join table right here with the equipment store and the customer, my join table. And then I've got the equipment store controller that has the methods for making the employees, the customers, the store, and the equipment store service. It's kind of more like the back end side coding. Um, that, anyways, that's what it's doing. And so keep this less than 5 minutes. We're going to bounce into this. We're going to start our application, run as a Java application. Hopefully, it'll start. While it's working on that, the equipment stored data class is a structured way to transfer the data from within the system to itself. And so there's all the data transfer objects for getting that data to make sense. So it looked like Tomcat started on port 8080, so we are good to go. I've got all my tables loaded into dbeaver, so I've got my customer, employee, equipment store, and equipment store customer tables all ready to go. We'll go back to the advanced REST client. And first, we're going to post a new equipment store. So this is John Deere equipment. We're going to post it, and it worked. So let's go and see if it's there. Equipment store, refresh, John Deere equipment. Awesome. We will see if we can modify store number 68, which doesn't exist. So it should say, let me clear that. Should say, uh-oh, that store's not found. Let's go modify John Deere equipment. So John Deere equipment, I think was store number 9. Yep. So we'll go modify that. Say, actually, that should be case equipment. Let's see if it worked. Refresh. Oh, good. John Deere equipment is now case. We're gonna add an employee to store. Let's add him to store number 9. So we're gonna add Harry Potter. Looks like it worked. So employee. Let's refresh. Harry Potter. There he is. He reports to store number 9. Let's add a customer. Let's also add a customer to store number 9. Robert Murdoch. There he is. So we go over to the customer table, refresh that, there's Robert. And if we go to the equipment store customer, it should show customer 8 is with store number 9 of the join table. Great, it worked. So then if we want to get all of our information about, well, this is basically a way to search all stores. So there's a really cool equipment store, Sputnik equipment store, super duper hecka groovy equipment store, all the way down to case equipment store we put in there. And you can see their information. We want to search on a specific store like number 9, which is the case equipment that we put in. You can search that and it shows you case equipment store has a customer, Robert Murdoch, that we put in, and the employee of Harry Potter, who's a wizard. And then let's say, well, we're just going to go delete all that. So we can come in here and delete that. We're going to delete store number 9, which is case equipment store. Go back over here and say, all right, did we really delete the equipment store? Refresh, it's gone. Go to the employee, Harry Potter should also disappear. Refresh, Harry Potter disappeared. And our join table, that is customer store ID of 9, that's gone too. So, looks like it all worked. Thanks for watching.